Getting the right vlogging camera for the content you create, whether you showcase products, share your travel videos, or want to live stream to your audience, can be a difficult decision. And with so many options out there, how do you know which one will work best for you? In this video, we break down the top 5 vlogging cameras on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So, whether you're looking to shoot in 4K, want the most stable, smooth footage, or durable camera to take anywhere, we'll have an option for you. So, if you're interested in finding out which vlogging camera will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Up first, we have the Sony ZV-1, our choice for the best compact vlogging camera. The Sony ZV-1 is a great option if you want a camera you can take out with you and easily use. The small body measures 105.5 by 60 by 43.5 millimeters, and the controls, audio, and rear screen are all designed specifically for vlogging. The camera has a 24 to 70 millimeter lens with 1.8 to 2.8 zoom and an autofocus that adjusts in as little as 0.03 seconds thanks to Sony's fast hybrid autofocus technology. It's perfect for vlogging with the real-time eye autofocus and real-time autofocus tracking, so your eyes are the focus when you're in front of the camera and the focus is always maintained. This includes a product showcase setting, which transitions focus from your face to a product you want to show seamlessly and without needing to hide your face from view. Another feature that I think you'll really like is the button that lets you switch between 2 modes of defocus background, so you can give your background an artistic blur quickly on the fly. 2 extra accessories you get in the box are a windscreen and a windscreen adapter, so you can continue to get high quality audio while shooting outside, which I think are great inclusions for a vlogging camera. The internal mic has been optimized for voice recording, and the camera also has a mic jack and an MI shoe to give you additional audio configuration options. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen is also great. It allows you to turn and articulate it in lots of directions for self-filming. The Sony ZV-1 is the best compact vlogging camera, letting you take a host of features engineered specifically for content creation on the go. It's a great choice if you're an influencer with products to show off, or if you just do a lot of your recording outdoors. Next up on our list, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black, our choice for the best action vlogging camera. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the next camera in a long line of popular action cameras, and it's a worthy upgrade with 5K video capture capabilities and a front-facing display to let you see yourself as you vlog. The lens has a 4.5 by 6.2mm 23.6 megapixel sensor that's capable of shooting 5K video at 30p and can capture more detail than any GoPro so far. The camera actually has 2 display screens. On the back you'll get a larger 2.27-inch touchscreen with touch zoom features, while the front has an additional screen so you can see the footage you're capturing when filming yourself. The square aspect ratio of the front screen means that it's not a true preview of your video, but it's still a really useful feature that will make it easier to keep yourself in frame. I think you'll like that wind noise is handled really well, and the camera features enhanced voice isolation on top of that. The hyper-smooth boost stabilization mode can keep your footage stable and smooth at all resolutions and frame rates. Of course, the Hero 9 Black is as rugged as you'd expect, and is also waterproof down to 33 feet out of the box, so it can keep it with you in any conditions. Other features I think you'll love are the slow motion capture at up to 8 times with ultra-high frame rate, and the time warp function lets you record time-lapse scenes from anywhere. One of the most unique features is hindsight, a powerful ability that lets you capture the video from 30 seconds before you press record. It makes sure you'll never miss a moment again, capturing what's already happened as well as everything after, until you stop recording. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the best action vlogging camera, with powerful features that let you capture amazing looking footage even when you least expect to. Coming up next on our list, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, our choice for the best vlogging camera for live streaming. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is built with vlogging in mind, letting you shoot high-quality video in 4K whether horizontally or vertically, so your content is ready to share through your Instagram story or through other smartphone formats. The camera has a 24 to 100mm equivalent lens and stacked 1-inch CMOS sensor to produce amazing-looking videos, and the latest DJI 8 processing engine to allow for continuous shooting rates of up to 30 frames per second. It also has an excellent autofocus that keeps you looking sharp, and the built-in ND filter cuts out around 3 EV of light and is available for both stills and video. I especially like that the 3-inch 1.04M dot tilting LCD's touchscreen can flip up to face the front of the camera for easy self-recording. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the camera allows you to live stream directly to YouTube, which is great if you're a vlogger who likes to share content with your audience in real time. You also have the option that lets you extract high-quality stills from 4K footage, making it easy to find thumbnails for each of your videos. You can also send images directly from the camera to Twitter, Flickr, Google Drive, and other platforms, making it easy to upload pictures, share them, and connect to your fans. There's some nice flexibility to the camera features, like being able to switch from Full HD to 4K without any cropping, so you can maintain the same framing even if you change resolution. There's also a 3.5mm mic port, letting you extend your microphone options to suit your audio needs. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is the best vlogging camera for live streaming, with wireless connectivity options to let you share your content directly over social media and YouTube in real time. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, we have the DJI Pocket 2, our choice for the best pocket vlogging camera with gimbal. The DJI Pocket 2 is an incredibly compact, portable vlogging camera thanks to its 124.7 by 38.1 by 30mm pen-like design that will let you carry it in any pocket. The 20mm f1.8 lens has been upgraded to include a 1 by 1.7 inch sensor that can take 64 megapixel photos and 4K video, giving you a wide sweeping cinematic look. It only weighs 117 grams and will give you up to 140 minutes of battery life, which is pretty impressive for such a small device. The big feature with this camera is a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the camera so your videos will always be smooth even as you move. I think you'll like the gimbal's ability to keep the camera steady even during long exposure shots, and also in low light environments. The same stabilizing feature also works with still photos, so any additional pictures you take will have the same sharp quality. I also think you'll like the flexibility of the 93-degree angle view to let you capture perfectly composed shots more easily. The camera can capture an impressive depth of field when shooting relatively close-up vlog content, and it has a strong focus with great tracking function. If you place it on a tripod, you'll be able to walk around and move side to side while the head follows you to keep you center framed. Your audio will also sound good, with the 4 microphones packed into the camera that will let you record audio from different directions. The audio zoom and soundtrack features will also enhance the audio based on the camera's direction and focus. The DJI Pocket 2 packs some impressive recording features into a tiny body, making it the best pocket vlogging camera with gimbal for any on-the-go content creator or travel vlogger. Last up on our list, we have the Panasonic Lumix S5, our choice for the best splurge vlogging camera. The Panasonic Lumix S5 houses impressive video capturing technology in its compact size for truly cinematic video that will give your vlogs a professional sheen. With a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor featuring dual native ISO that can capture 10-bit video, extending its dynamic range and reducing the level of signal noise that is produced in the videos you capture. It also lets you record for an unlimited amount of time in 4K at 30p in both 4208-bit and live composite modes. The camera features powerful 5-axis dual IS-2 image stabilization technology that combines control of the body IS and lens OIS to offer 6-point stops worth of correction to keep your video clear and steady even when shooting as you move. The body is resistant to dust and water splashes thanks to sealing and extra protection for seams, buttons, and other functional parts, keeping your camera safe from accidents and wear. You'll be able to capture highly detailed video in the 96 megapixel high-resolution mode in both Vlog and V-Gamut with 14+ stops dynamic range for more control over your images. I think you'll love the high-precision autofocus that can change focus at speeds of up to 0.08 seconds, letting the camera keep up with everything you want to highlight even while shooting your most dynamic footage. The autofocus can even detect head, eyes, face, and more of your subjects for more precise focusing. A really cool feature I think you'll have fun using is the Live View Composite mode that instantly creates a high-quality image out of several of your shots so you can freeze dynamic moments or expansive views in time, like fireworks or a starry sky. The Panasonic Lumix S5 with 4K resolution, powerful stabilization, and video capture that has no limit is the perfect camera for professional content creators and influencers looking to splurge on a great vlogging camera. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.